Hey everyone, today we're going to do something real simple. We're going to smoke up some hot dogs. They're easy, fast, and taste delicious. So let's get them on the smoker. Alright guys, so we're going to preheat those smokers to about 250 degrees. Grab your favorite hot dog. I'm using Hebrew National. Put a slit down the middle of the hot dog about halfway through it. This is going to let that smoke penetrate the hot dog a little better than if it didn't have that slit. We're going to put them on the smoker for about 45 minutes. No need to rotate them while they're smoking. Pull them off, put them on your favorite bun, and then we're going to top these with a couple different toppings. This one I'm making right here is a Chicago dog. We're going to put some tomato wedges, a little bit of relish, pickle spear, diced onions, a couple peppers, and hit it with some mustard. I'm telling you, these hot dogs turned out really good. You know, it's a little twist to a regular hot dog. So enjoy.